How to download and install Amazon Shopping app on iPhone. Ready to shop on Amazon right from your iPhone? The Amazon Shopping apps make it easy to browse, buy, and track your orders wherever you are. In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone step by step. Let's dive in. Launch your App Store. Now, at the very top, you'll see the search box, where you type in the app name Amazon and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open Get, or you'll find this kind of arrow. You have to click on it. You may be prompted to confirm the download with Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. After you type in that, download process will begin. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of this download, you can launch it, log into your account, or in the case you don't have an account, you can create it and you can use this app. And that's how you download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone. Now you can shop anytime, track orders, and access exclusive deals with just few steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app tutorials. Thanks for watching.